Here it is, it's back. Don't know if you're going to post any of these videos anywhere. But I'm making them. I don't know, it's sometime before 12:30 on the 8th of March. 12:30 in the day. As you can see from that bright light shining in the sky called the sun. I'll find out what the name of that bird is later. If I do post it, I'll put it in the posting. But I love the color on it. It's nice. Look, I'm showering down. See a domed feeder, clear plastic. Just filled it up with about 3 cups of bird seed today. That plastic dome adjusts. It can go up another, what, 3 or 4 inches, almost all the way up to the top of the right before where the handle there loops, and go up that high. But well, another bird came in and grabbed something. Don't know what that was. Was that the nuthatcher or a titmouse right there? Here it's back again. So, if I adjust this, some birds around that are a lot larger, like that blue jay just landed on the ground. They're coming back again. It's like they come around, like one comes around, a second shows up, and 3, 4, 5, and next thing you know, 100 and not that many. The whole flock suddenly shows up. But anything else going to fly into it? Now there's a blue jay taking off. Here's another bird going for that feeder. Grabs and goes, and around it is. 2 minutes, we'll stop.